thank you for submitting your work here. This looks fantastic. I think your letter spacing is perfect. I really do. And your word spacing. You do a great job. Okay, first thing I want to do is I want to mention the importance of the announcement. So if you jump over to the course announcements, definitely want to get in here 2 or 3 times a week and see what's going on. I often add new resources in here midweek, so you want to jump in here. But right now, these are the big four right here. Welcome, how to, and welcome to week 2. These, you definitely review these if you haven't. You definitely want to get in there and review welcome to week 2. There's 4 videos in there. Each one really does a great job describing letting, kerning, spacing, the importance of, and as it relates to retention, reading, etc. So these are really fantastic resources. I just want to reiterate the importance of getting in there and taking a look at those. So this document right here is from one of those videos. There's a video in there on how to kern fire and ice and how to space fire and ice. So that document is right here. So take a look. We can see your spacing is just beautiful. You've been paying attention, man. I will say this. I think that you're compromised a little bit here in craft. We've got a lot of smudges here. And you definitely don't want to do. You want those contour lines to be perfect. It seems like you got a little bit impatient towards the end here, as word fire is much more neat and clean than the word ice. So definitely want to watch your craft here. All right, let's go ahead. One of the things I think, whoops, didn't want to do that. Well, as I said, I think your letter spacing is just about perfect, and your word spacing is just about perfect as well. But we don't have accurate depiction of overshoot. Now, overshoot is this. Well, overshoot's in the course resources for week 2, so you definitely want to read that and understand that overshoot makes the letter forms appear to be. It's an optical relationship, and it makes the letter forms appear to be consistent in terms of their size. So you want to depict overshoot on the lowercase curved letter forms, and then also there's some areas of overshoot on the baseline. Like for example, this serif right here, and the lowercase I. Right now, yours doesn't overshoot the baseline, but we can clearly see it does here. Same thing with the R. The serif and that little stem, they all overshoot the baseline, the mean line, but we don't have that depicted. So you want to depict overshoot on the curved letter forms here, and the curved letter forms related to the baseline and the mean line. There are no overshoot on the cap line, with the exception of the serif for the ascender in the lowercase d. Okay, so there's 2 things I really want you to pay attention to in your final submission. That is overshoot and craft. Okay, other than that, your spacing is perfect, so that's great. But you depict overshoot and just watch your craft. I think you're good to go. All right? If you have any questions, Colton, please let me know. Thanks. Great start. Thank you very much.